Good morning to everybody. We are about to be heading to work. I am super excited. First time bringing the camera to work, so it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not 100% used to actually filming in front of a camera, even just in my room yet. So we're going to see how much in public I can actually film, how much kind of scares me. We're going to take a couple of these peach Red Bulls, of course. I'm super excited. We are now at work. I'm gonna get some actual work done. I'm gonna make some calls, make some emails really quick. Once we get all of that done, I don't know, my appointment canceled for the day, so it's gonna be an interesting one for sure. We are now going over to see Giuliani. Also gonna go grab some sticky notes because I am completely out. Door's locked. Shucks. Guess we're going through the wash bay. Here's the man himself, Mr. Giuliani. I don't know if the lighting or the exposure is gonna. Oh, I think yep, it definitely did update. Giuliani, how's your day going here so far?
I feel a lot better than yesterday.
Alright, we have decided the direction for this video, so we are going to be taking a look inside of a Platinum Pathfinder. Alright, we are in the 2025 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum, everybody. Beautiful vehicle. I am telling you, this is probably my favorite SUV that we have as far as like feature set for the price point that we have. In the back, we're gonna have rear heated seats. We're also gonna have a completely different temperature zone back there. It's a tri-zone temperature, so there's 3. It's honestly really nice. There's a lot of luxury features mixed in with a not super high price point compared to like the Armada. It is gonna have ProPilot Assist, which means it's gonna have driver assistance. It's gonna have ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, auto-controlled climate control. It's also gonna have this beautiful infotainment system right here with built-in maps. We also have our drive mode selector here. We're gonna have our parking brake electronic as well as the auto hold for brakes. The auto start and stop feature you can toggle off right here. Really love that because not everybody really likes that feature, so it makes it a little bit easier. We're gonna have sunglasses holder up top. Nice, beautiful panoramic moonroof up top here. Get a good shot of that, hopefully. Of course, your dash right here is fully digital. You can even go through. You can see speed limit signs. You can get to your settings. You can get a little compass on there. You can get your little fuel economy statistics, your tire pressure. You can get another compass on there for whatever reason. You can go through your music from there. Also have your audio buttons right here, which makes it nice and simple. If you come down here, you're gonna have your trunk release button. So we can go ahead and pop that on open. This is gonna be your steering assist button. So you can see, let's see if we can get that to focus. Only available with cruise control on for the steering assist. This is gonna be your dash illumination. So how bright you want your dash lights to be. We can go ahead and see if I can focus in on that. To just have it be able to be turned off super nice and easy. Also got this nice spacious center console. Wow. Stick my hand in there so you can see some nice under bay storage here. Of course, we got the little bit of storage right here as well. You can see if I put my hand in there, as well as the glove compartment. We're gonna have paddle shifters up here as well. You can see the plus, the minus. Obviously, you're gonna have your windshield wipers over here. Gonna have your headlights over here, pretty standard. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back and see how much trunk space we're working with. Here is the back of the 2025 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. You can see it does have the 3rd row seats, which you can fold down to get kind of a flat cargo area down here. It's gonna have some extra storage capacity for you if you want to throw your like jumper cables in there, or maybe something else. I don't fully know what all kind of car stuff most people carry, but jumper cables, lug nut wrench, whatever, I always would put that down in like kind of your hidden storage where you're not gonna see it quite as often. But it's nice and roomy. You can still see that panoramic moonroof, even though it's only halfway open. You can still get a view of it from the back here. So if you're a passenger, got plenty of stuff to look at. You're also gonna have charging ports on either side, as well as 2 cup holders, so plenty of comfort for your backseat passengers. You're also going to have right here an extra charger, so there's plenty of ways to stay powered up while you're on the road in this thing. And it also has my favorite features. I don't know if I can actually hit it. Kick activated lift gate, so you don't have to worry about ever having your keys out of your pocket with this one, because if you come to the side, it's going to have these little buttons on the handles. So you can just go ahead and press those to lock and unlock. You basically never need your keys, since it has push to start, keyless entry, as well as the motion activated lift gate. So you're pretty much set, kind of no matter what you're trying to do. You're pretty much gonna be set if you just keep the key in your pocket, in your purse, in your backpack, whatever you have it in. There's a good little run through of the Pathfinder's features. You're caught in 4K right now. What you doing, my boy?
Huh? Lunch.
Going to lunch without me?
I texted you.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
Well, I guess I'm going to lunch, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna head on over to Sam's Club. Well, that was an unintentional lie. We're actually, I'm not allowed to go to lunch yet. Giuliani can go to lunch if he wants, but I am currently not allowed to go to lunch because there's too many people out for lunch. So I'm gonna go bother him really quick, actually, because he is right here. So he is getting bothered. Oh, what is bro doing?
Hey,
Where's
yo,
bro
what
going?
the fuck?
Oh, he gone. He hungry. He's going to eat, my goodness. All right, guys, it is now 6:40, about 6:50, so we're about to go home. Probably gonna leave about 5 minutes early. I don't know for sure, but I'm about to go ask my manager when we are actually getting out of here. So hopefully I don't get locked out of the building before everybody else goes home, but I'm ready to get home, eat some grub, go to sleep, and yeah, that's about it.